Now look at this, that how this ovule is developed in the how this embryo sac develops or ovule develops in the nucellus. Now that condition, that process is called megasporogenesis, and in this megasporogenesis what happens, suppose this is the nucellus or developing material of the ovule, and in out of this nucellus cells, one cell at the micropylar end starts डिफ्रेंशिएटिंग इटसेल्फ फ्रॉम द अदर सेल्फ, बाकी सेल से ही अपने आप को डिफ्रेंशिएट करेगा. कैसे डिफ्रेंशिएट करेगा? इट विल बिकम हाईली थिक साइटोप्लाज्मिक एंड थिक prominent nucleus, means this cell will have more cytoplasm and prominent nucleus. So this differentiated cell is called archisporial cell. This differentiated cell, which is called archisporial cell, it starts dividing. It divides into two, and the outer cell is called parietal cell and inner cell is called sporogenous cell. Now this sporogenous cell will undergo meiosis, and as we know that in meiosis a cell divides into four. Ultimately at the end of the meiosis we get four cells. So this sporogenous mother cell undergoes meiosis and form four haploid cells, megaspores, which are also called tetrad. Four haploid megaspores called tetrads, and out of these four megaspore tetrads, three cells get degenerates. These three cells get degenerate, only one remains functional. So this functional megaspore, four megaspores were formed but three get degenerate, only one became functional. So this functional megaspore undergoes three successive mitotic division. So this cell will undergo three successive mitotic division, not meiotic. Meiosis has been occurred. The diploid number has been reduced to haploid number. Four haploid cells are formed. Now this megaspore will undergo mitotic division, three mitotic division. Means first this cell will divide mitotically. It will divide into two. Then these two cells undergo mitotic division. They will form four cells, and these four cells again further divide mitotically, and they will form four cells. Now these eight cells will migrate towards the poles. They will start migrating towards the opposite poles, and after migrating, what we get the structure is that three cells at the chalzal end, these are called antipodal cells. Two cells remain in the center, they are called polar nuclei, and three cells get towards the micropylar end. इस end पे आ जाते हैं, micropylar end पे. They are called egg apparatus, out of which central cell is called female gamete or egg, and two are the synergids. So this is the development of the female gametophyte.